Hey guys, it's Dwayne from Fire Bros. What I'm going to do today is an unboxing of a tool that I've had for about a year and a half. I bought it a while back for the 64 Chevelle, and I never used it. Put it in the corner, forgot all about it. I don't know, that's maybe one of the things about getting old, you forget stuff. But I bought this tool to do that. It's a DIY type tool for setting the toe on any vehicle. The tool that I bought, it came from a place called TMR Customs. They do a lot of off-road stuff. They have a King of the Hammers truck. It's a do-it-yourself type toe adjustment for your car. So you know, how many times have you pushed in a car after you've done a front end on it and it's like way out of whack and it's super hard to push around if you need to push it. This kind of gets it in that ballpark so that it makes it easier to push. Or if you need to drive it somewhere, you don't chew up your new tires getting it to where it's at. This tool cost me about 60 bucks and it's very well priced. They come powder coated. This one's powder coated in orange, and I'll show you the unboxing on it. And it's got these cool packing peanuts in it. And if you didn't know, these packing peanuts dissolve if you touch them. I think they're pretty much made out of the same thing that you get the orange cheese balls from Sam's Club or Costco. I think that's what they're made out of. Who knows? But anyway, we'll do the unboxing on it and you can see it. All right, so as I said before, I started to do this, but then I was like, hey man, I need to do a video. So this is it. Like I said, it's powder coated orange. It comes wrapped pretty nice. It's got their logo on it. It's gonna be upside down and backwards to you guys, so maybe that'll work. Yep, there you go. Check that out, it worked. Anyway, it's set up for different sizes right off the bat as far as, you know, different size bolt patterns. But that's all there is to it. It's got a little notch right here on the side so that you can hook a tape measure in there and run it to the other side and set the front. The same on this side so you can set the back. And we'll get this undone and get it on the car and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so here it is mounted. Both sides are on. This is a 5 on 4 3/4 hub on a 69 Camaro, and doesn't quite fit right here. It's kind of in between of the two of the little drilled holes, but this one fits all the way against the back, and that's the way I set the other side. And so I think these are kind of geared more towards bigger bolt patterns, which is, you know, totally fine, but this will work. And I'm interested to see on how this is going to pan out. But if you can look across here, you can see the other side's over there, and it's hooked in with a tape measure, and you pull it across, and you can measure from a bunch of different points. You can measure from right here on this inside edge. You can measure from there, or if you want to measure all the way from out here, measure from out here. Just depending on where you set the tape on the other side is your measuring point from where you're going to be here. There's a couple of threaded spots here that you could even do a pointer down if you wanted to, but you'd have to make it. But this isn't even close because it's turned to the driver's side right now. So I've got to get that straight, both sides straight, because the steering wheel's straight and locked now, and then I'll adjust the wheels and then I'm going to set the toe. Okay, you can see this is the back side. It is 65 5/8, and now I will go ahead and measure the front. You can see that the front now is just barely over 65 5/8. So they say anywhere from a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch of toe. So I'm going to crank a little bit on each side and get that just under 5/8 of an inch, 65 and just underneath 5/8 of an inch, and then the toe should be set. Okay, there it is. They say anywhere from 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch, and I moved it in about a 1/16 of an inch. And once you set the car down, I'm sure it'll adjust a little bit and move around. But this is a super easy way to do it by yourself, and this tool makes it really nice. Okay guys, there it is, TMR Customs. Set the toe and go. It's a good tool, another one to add to your arsenal. If you do get it, let us know. Let us know what you think. Add it to the comments. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Have a good day.